Greetings, scholars. I want to take a few minutes to talk to you about assignment number 8, writing the research paper. In the folder, you're going to see guidelines for writing the research paper and the sample MLA research paper format. So this is what I want to start with today. In order for you to write the paper, you're going to need your documented outline. You cannot write this paper without the documented outline. I'm going to show you both the documented outline and the sample MLA research paper as I cover this lesson. So I want to start with the sample paper. This is the paper that I wrote according to my outline on the lottery. Okay, we're going to do format on your documented outline, but I want to show you some things first. One thing that you're going to notice is that I have this sectioned off, right? There are 4 sections in your research paper. Section number 1 will be your introduction. Section number 2 will be the argument. Section number 3, and section number 2, the argument is the longest section. Section number 3 will be the opposing views, or I have them listed here, the counter arguments, but they are your opposing views. This is at Roman numeral number 5. And then lastly, you have the conclusion, which is Roman numeral number 8. So do this for me. Make sure that you watch this recording as many times as possible, because I want you to take your documented outline and I want you to follow these steps that I'm about to show you. So I'm going to go to the documented outline. First thing I'm going to do is format. If you noticed, my heading was double spaced. Your heading should be double spaced also, right? Easy to do. Change the date. This paper is due on the 16th of November. Then we want to go on and do the sections. I'm going to change my title to something more interesting. I want to be rich. Change that. Then we're going to start sectioning off the paper. I'm just going to hit return. I'm going to do all caps section 1. And then type the introduction. Okay. So the introduction, I'm going to make it bold. The introduction is going to be Roman numeral number 1, which covers your thesis statement. After you do that section, do the next section. Section 2 should begin with Roman numeral number 2. I'm just going to type section 2. And this is going to be the argument. I'm going to go back and bold print. Okay. Then I'm going to go all the way down to Roman numeral number 5, which begins the opposing views. So after this D, I'm going to just put my cursor here. I'm just going to hit enter twice. I'm going to type section 3. And this will be, can't get my computer off, all caps, the counter arguments. Again, I'm going to go back. I'm going to bold print. And then before Roman numeral number 8, which is here, I'm just going to go back and I'm going to create my section 4, the conclusion. Okay. So step 1. Step 1, take your documented outline. Section everything off. Put your sections exactly where I put them. Section 1 should be before Roman numeral number 1. Section 2 should be before Roman numeral number 2. Section 3 begins the counter arguments or the opposing views. That should be right before Roman numeral number 5. And the last section in the research paper is going to be section number 4. the conclusion. Okay, and then I will make sure that I insert a page break to make sure that the works cited page is on a page by itself and not a part of the documents. Okay. So that's it. That's all I want you to do. This is the first video, first instructional video that I'm doing. Section the documented out loud off, right? Create the sections, create your double spacing, give me your title, section everything off. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how to paragraph this for the essay. I will see you in the next video.